Hello everyone, in this video we are discussing here subgroup test. This is our one steps test. According to this test, if let H be a group and H be a non-empty subset of G, H be a non-empty only subset of G, then H is a subgroup of G if and only if the condition is AB inverse belongs to H, where all the elements of AB belongs to H. Here we have two conditions because this is our if and only if condition. It means if H is a subgroup of G, then AB inverse belongs to H. If then the next second condition is AB inverse belongs to H, then we have to show H is a subgroup of G. So in the first part we are considering here the let H be a subgroup of G. If H is a subgroup of G, it means H itself a group. So the two elements A and B belongs to H. Since B belongs to H and H is a group, so every element's inverse exists in H according to definition of subgroup. It means inverse of A belongs to H, inverse of B belongs to H. But what we are taking here, since B belongs to H and H is a group, this implies inverse of B belongs to H. So A belongs to H, B inverse belongs to H, and H is a group. So by the closure property in H, AB inverse belongs to H, because AB inverse is nothing else, it is also an element of H. So this condition satisfied. Now the converse part, let us assume that AB inverse belongs to H. This is our given condition. Now we have to show that H is a subgroup of G. That is H is group itself, or we can say H has to satisfy all the properties of group. Now for the identity property, we are taking H is non-empty and it is given in the condition. So X belongs to H. We are considering X belongs to H. So take A, the value of in this equation, A equal to X, B equal to X. So what we get? We get X into X inverse. It means the identity elements belongs to H. So this implies identity elements in the H. Now again we are taking here A equal to E and B equal to X in the condition 1. So in this condition, put A equal to E and B equal to X. It means this implies inverse belongs to X inverse belongs to H, or we can write it as the inverse of every element belongs to H. Now for the associativity will obviously be true since the operation is same as the G. Lastly, we need to show that H is closed. We have already proved the condition of identity, inverse and associativity, and the last condition is closure. For the closure, we are taking here two elements X and Y belongs to H, and we had already shown that H contains the inverse of each element. So we can write it as the inverse belongs to H. Now in the condition 1, we are taking here A equal to X and B equal to Y inverse in condition 1. So X Y inverse ka inverse belongs to H. So XY belongs to H. Hence H is a closed. Therefore H is a subgroup of G. This is our one-step subgroup test. One more test for subgroup is two-step subgroup test, because in this test we have two conditions. In the previous test we have only one condition, so that test name was one subgroup test. In this test we have two conditions, so this test name is two-step subgroup test. So the statement is let H be a group and H be a non-empty subset of G. Always we are taking here non-empty subset. Then we have to show H is a subgroup if and only if the condition is AB, yani ki closure property exists in H for all the elements AB belongs to H, and the second is inverse belongs to H for all A belongs to H. So how we are proving it as Let H is a subgroup. What we are considering here, if H is a subgroup of G, then the clearly condition 1 and 2, because this is our closure property and this is the inverse property. If अगर H हमारा subgroup ही है G का, so this is also satisfy 1 and 2. So we nothing we have to prove, but in the converse part, what we are doing, we are taking, let the condition 1 and 2 be true, and we need to show H is a subgroup of G. In the condition 1 is closure and second is the inverse of element. So taking X and Y belongs to H, and since Y belongs to H, according to second condition, inverse of this element is also, inverse of every element belongs to H. So now X belongs to H, Y inverse belongs to H. So by the closure property, X, Y inverse belongs to H. And we know that in the one step subgroup test, if X, Y inverse belongs to H, so H is a subgroup of G. If the operation is addition, in the addition operation, these two properties convert. AB is converted as A plus B for all A comma B belongs to H for addition. Similarly, second, inverse belongs to H for multiplication, but in the case of addition, inverse is minus A for all A belongs to H and minus of A belongs to H. So inverse क्या हो जाएगा एडिशन के केस में? माइनस ऑफ ए. If the operation is addition, so by two subgroup test, these are two conditions for subgroup test.